Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about the gas cylinder in your office chair. If you're not already aware, a gas cylinder is the component that allows the seat height of your chair to be raised and lowered. It does so through compressed gas within this cylinder. It's usually a lever that you can adjust that cylinder, and once it's set at a height, it is going to maintain that height. So a cylinder does have seals within it that will fail over time. When that cylinder finally does fail, it will rest at the bottom of the height of the cylinder. It will no longer, that gas will have escaped and will not allow it to hold weight anymore, so you'll be all the way at the bottom. Luckily, these are quick and easy to replace in most cases, and we do have replacement cylinders for most office chairs, so that's what we're going to be going over today. All right, so how is a gas cylinder replaced? Simply put, the gas cylinder on your chair is going to be held in place by friction. It has a taper on the top and it has a taper on the bottom. The bottom one sits in the base, the top one goes into the mechanism of the chair. The quickest and easiest way we have found to replace a gas cylinder is by use of a pipe wrench that we grab around the top end of the cylinder. We twist that to break that friction free, and it allows the cylinder to come out, and then we usually hit the bottom of the cylinder from the bottom of the chair through the base to remove it from the base. We do have specific and more detailed instructions beyond that for each of these individual cylinders that we'll go over, but those are in separate videos, and we'll just keep it at that baseline today. All right, so how do you find the right cylinder for your chair? Really, all we're gonna come down to is choosing the right chair and choosing the right height for your cylinder. So the first one is, we're gonna make it real easy. We've got a drop down with all of the different chairs that we offer cylinders for. So all you need to do is choose the correct chair that you have, and we're gonna find the right cylinder and send the right cylinder to you based on your chair model. Beyond that, we have a few different options for heights. As you can see here, this is gonna be a standard height gas cylinder. It's going to fit at a standard height desk. And we also have some longer cylinders. This is gonna be for a stool extended height. Now, a quick thing to note on the stool height is it is not going to be all the way from sitting all the way up to stool height. It is going to shift that entire range upwards. So even at its shortest, it is going to be slightly higher than a standard height cylinder at its highest. So really, you need to decide whether or not you're going to be sitting at a higher surface or a standard desk height, and that's going to help you choose the height of cylinder for you. If you do go for a stool height, we also have a foot ring as an optional component that you can rest your feet on when you're sitting in that higher height. All right, let's talk warranty and returns. We offer a 2-year warranty on all of our parts, including all of our gas cylinders. For returns, you have 30 days to return your product if it's not going to work for you. With parts, the return shipping costs are the responsibility of the buyer. All right, a couple of quick disclaimers. Due to the sheer number of cylinders and chairs that we stock cylinders for, there might be a slight variation in the cylinder that you receive versus what you have in your chair currently. It might result in a slight variation in your seat height compared to what you have now. We always like to put that out there. There's just too many different combinations to stock individual cylinders for every individual chair. The other thing I want to mention that we always stress is that we are here to help. If you have any questions at all about what chair you've got, what the correct cylinder is, anything along those lines, we eat, sleep, and breathe chairs and chair parts, and we are here to help. So do not hesitate to reach out to anybody on our team to help make sure that we're going to get you the correct part the first time. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please click the like and subscribe buttons below. We're gonna have some links in the description below for where you can purchase the correct cylinder for your chair. And as I mentioned previously, please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions at all to make sure that you're purchasing the right chair for you and that we're helping you get it installed on your chair. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. It's the responsibility of the shipping price. Return shipping is because it is I was so close. I almost had that. But it will, at least in the modern world. Is that a proper way to say that? Height and lever? Yeah, I see I'm going too far. Why am I going too far? I need to keep it short. I'm not good at this.